So guys, guess what just came in? This is going to be my next modification. Got the JLT Performance Intake. This is the unboxing. It's already in place. It's gonna be easy install. Easy install. 15 minutes tops. I didn't want red. You know what? This is huge. Sheesh. Bigger than mine. My original one, that is. Comes with instructions. Alright. In and out, baby. In and out. You know what it is.
Working all day all night 네가 바란 대로 나는 될 거야 랩스토어 Working for bills 더 늘어나는 팀 네가 싫어하던 게 늘어나 Living one life better life 또 따라오는 사랑은 나 thanks to the God 한기만은 밭도 넘어지면 다시 일어나서 세상에 충지를 박 왔던 대로 그냥 하던 대로 스타일 사인 족하고 강막 가는 거지 이제 말만 하는 워너비들 깔아놓고 수면 위로 하여 위로 올라가지 랩4 팀 네가 바라던 팀 아메리 내 보고 할리우드 던져리 아무도 못 보는 이유 난 너무 높아 엎지르지 않는 그 위치 리듬 타고 다닐 거라 switch Fuck your team now we In the end world like it 이제 세상이 나를 좋게 watch
More Dodge, more mine. So, like I said before, I did the unraveling of the intake. Now I want to do a comparison. This is a very cheap intake. As you can see, it's pretty standard, but it fit for the most part. In comparison to the JLT, which is a performance intake, it's a big difference. Same elbow, but just a little thicker. In conjunction with that, the filters are almost about the same size, but not quite. It's maybe a few inches bigger in comparison. As you can see, the hole is a lot bigger. Maybe it won't be once I put the intake part in, or this little funnel. Alright, what it's going to take to do this job on any 6.4 is an 8mm socket and wrench. Best to use a power tool, and I think a 1/2 inch or 1/4, which is to be certain, or a 7. So I've already taken it off. I'm going to take the old box out, which is a makeshift in comparison, and also have to fix my DRL lighting for my glow and my grill glow, and it should be pretty much done. Stay tuned. Just as described before, ladies and gentlemen, the JLT Coldair Intake for the 6.4 Scat Pack is complete. As you can see, looking at the design, it's a lot cleaner, a lot smoother. The base is a lot thicker. I had a little trouble putting in the sensor, but as you can see, it's a snug fit along with the oil breather, which now goes into the encasing. You got your decal, which is the JLT Performance. It's not blue. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get a decal for the JLT, make it blue. I've purchased the blue JLT filter so that I don't have to clean it and I don't have to worry about dust and dirt or water actually touching this filter. Should be here tomorrow. Keep you guys posted on that, but let's give it a quick start just to see how everything goes. Let's see it. Waiting to see how it sounds with a bigger intake. satisfied with the purchase, JLT, I'll leave the parts number in the description, so if you're interested in getting the same part, at least you got an idea of the part to get for your Scat Pack wide body or your slim body Scat Pack, or even your, no, not your RT, I'm sorry. That's another one. Oh Dodge, oh mods, you know what it is.